In this video, I'll detail how to download Siri Voice on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you are trying to communicate with Siri on your Apple Watch, but Siri is not responding, that shows you need to download and install the Siri Voice on your Apple Watch for Siri to respond to your communication. So if you just say, "Hey Siri," then you only feel the haptics instead of the Siri voice to say, or "hello." So if you press the digital crown as well, like this to wake Siri, "Hey Siri," then you see Siri is only responding without the voice. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Siri voice on your Apple Watch Series 9 so that when you communicate with Siri, it's going to respond with voice. So if I download this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to go to the app list. On the app list, click on settings. Now scroll down and click on Wi-Fi. Then turn on Wi-Fi if Wi-Fi is turned off and connect to Wi-Fi. And if you are using the Apple Watch Series 9 41mm and 45mm with GPS and cellular, then you can easily use your Apple Watch cellular or SIM, eSIM, to connect to the internet. Then once you've connected to the internet on your Apple Watch, just hit the power button and then scroll down. Tap Siri, then scroll down again, then click on Siri Voice. Once you click on that, you should see the list of Siri voices you have here, the variety and the voice. So select the voice here. I'm going to use American voice. Then scroll down and choose the voice you want to download.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Now once you've selected the color, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to the internet. Wait to download. Download will occur when your watch is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Now go ahead, connect your Apple Watch to your charging port or place the Apple Watch on the charger to download the Siri voice. And once the voice is downloaded, you can just go ahead, say "Hey Siri" to turn on the Siri voice on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily download Siri voice on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.